video, I'm going to show you how to make like a chat bot. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create very simple thing. So you don't need to make it too detailed, just making it very simple. And I'm gonna add a little circle at the top. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna make all of that with a black outline. No, free will be good. And then, you know what, I'll change it to greenish color. And then I will put chat bot. Okay, so I need to make that black now. And I need to make it smaller. So now we can change the size, 500, to make it bigger. So now when green flag clicked, we want to say, what is your name? And then we want to create a variable. Let's call it name. We want to set name to the answer. Then we want to say grab a join. Want to grab a join. Join hello plus name. Let's try it. Wait, yeah, so we need to use this, say that. So, what is your name? Let's try it now. Now we also need to ask the question. We need to actually ask, what is your name? Not say it, but ask. Let's just do that. Okay, so it works. So now, make a new variable. Let's call it age. We are going to ask. We are going to ask how old are you? And then we want to set the age to the answer. So now we want to say wait, you need to join so your name, no, sorry, so your age is, and then we want to put the age here. So let's try it here. So it works. So now let's ask another thing. Let's create a variable called fave food. So now we want to ask, what is your what food you like the best? Then question mark. Now we want to set now the food variable to the answer. And then we want to say let's use a join. So your name is, and then we want to use another join. So your name is name. Then use another join. So our name is name. And your age is, and then we want to use the first we want to get another join. So your age is age. Not pick random, join. And the food you like the best is not banana. We want to set it to favorite food. Now remember to save. You can name it to chatbot. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.